Okay, the coast is clear. Let's make the biggest cake ever without Mom knowing? Yes. The sugar you needed. Wonderful. This will be the best cake ever. A big one. You started it, Em.
I guess we're having a white Christmas in here.
This was the sugar. It is, right. Wait, it says S-A-L-T, salt. Oh, no. Hey, that's exactly 1 cup of sugar. Great. Now can we add the flour, Emma? Jack, the flour.
Well, that was dramatic.
Did it! Not a single spill.
That's my careful bakers.
Hooray! This is my best batch yet.
It certainly looks delicious. Go ahead, Jack.
Look at this one. It's burning! We're all gonna choke!
Don't worry, guys. I think they're just extra toasty.
Goodness! What happened in here? We were trying to make your favorite cookies, Mom. They're a little crispy. These are the best ever, Mom. I think the kitty likes them too. They really are perfect, kids.